All right, storm-wise, we're already seeing them pop up out there, up across the northern mountains. And another spot that's going to have a really good chance for storms today is going to be the Sacramento Mountains, too, so down south as well. Here's a look at cloud crops. You can already see the clouds billowing up down that way, and so we're going to watch for that in the Sacramento Mountains. But other than that, southern New Mexico is going to have a tough time getting the storms. It's mainly going to be focused across northern and central New Mexico and much to the west of the central mountain chain once you get farther south. So flash flood watches have been issued mainly for the burn scars, and because we've had a wet couple of days in the burn scar areas. And so we're going to be watching for the flash flooding there, the Jemez Mountains, the San Francisco River Valley, and also down in the southwest mountains. And this goes until midnight tonight because we're going to have a system that's going to be kind of slow moving that's going to promote those storms. And basically it's not going to really swing through the state until we get into the overnight hours tonight. So we could see some of the showers persist through the evening hours. Here in Albuquerque, no rain to talk about right now, but you can see the clouds building up out toward the Sandias, and it's quite warm, 80 degrees, and we have plenty of moisture to work with for this afternoon too. So we're going to be watching for storms to pop up perhaps for Albuquerque late in the day as some of these storms could head our way, and also again tonight as the system that's out over Arizona swings on through. It could cross right over the central part of the state, and that could mean some late night storms for the metro area too. So we have the potential a couple of times here to get some rain going. A closer look at what's happening right now as far as storms go, and we're already starting to see a few showers popping up in the Jemez Mountains here over near White Rock. White Rock, you picked up quite a bit of rain yesterday, even some hail, and so we could definitely see that happen again. And then also east slopes of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, these storms are moving to the north and east, moving up toward I-25, so things will get a little messy here between Maxwell, Raton, and up near southern Colorado. They're up near Trinidad, so we'll have to keep a close eye on some of those storms. In fact, that one just south of Trinidad looks like it's building up pretty quickly and could be a strong one with some very heavy rain, maybe even a little bit of hail. Down the southwest, we have some scattered showers popping up already too over in the Gila, and these are going to continue to move to the north and east, and this is what we're going to watch as it heads toward Albuquerque. Those storms could move into the area, or these could fuel storms to develop over Albuquerque. And again, even tonight we could see the potential for maybe a few more showers in the metro as well. System right now is out over Arizona. It's slowly going to track over the state as we go through the overnight hours. It will lose some of its punch, but it will continue to drive in a little more energy to get more storms going, fueling those storms. So for this afternoon, the focus once again will be across northern and central New Mexico. And back to the west, northeast New Mexico, we'll see some storms too. Meanwhile, in the southeast, there's a slight chance for a stray storm. Probably won't see much out of it today, but tomorrow, as this system exits the area, goes up into Colorado, we have another system that's going to be moving in to northeast New Mexico, east central plains. That front, that will be the focal point for storms tomorrow. So our focus will shift more towards central and northeastern New Mexico for tomorrow afternoon, and we'll have to keep a close eye on any storms that develop along this front. These will be particularly stronger and will have that potential for damaging wind and also hail. So we'll keep a close eye on that. That's for tomorrow. Once we get through tomorrow, things start to settle down just a bit, and we're not going to see as many storms around for the end of the week. Southern Colorado, scattered thunderstorms today and tomorrow, then drier for the end of the week. Northwest New Mexico, a few more storms today, and we'll watch for a few storms tomorrow, then it gets drier. Down in the southwest, scattered thunderstorms this afternoon, highs in the 80s, and then as we go towards the end of the week, we start to warm things up. Southeast, slight chance for storms. Big story here, the heat topping out near the triple digits. Northeast New Mexico, scattered thunderstorms, a very active week this week. Same thing for the northern mountains, and again, flash flooding possible for the burn scars. Keeping a close eye on that. Santa Fe looking at decent chances for rain over the next couple of days too. East Mountains, 80s with storms in the forecast today, and for the metro, we're going to have our potential for storms today too. Meanwhile, temperatures staying cooler, upper 80s for highs for most of the week, staying active through tomorrow, and then we could see more storms again on Saturday.
Looks good. Thanks, Kristen. We'll be